Hello everyone, this is John. Welcome to listen to my presentation. The topic of my presentation is VRE Core Metadata Schema. This presentation is for Dr. McCall's Metadata class. What is VRE and VRE Core? VRE is the name of Visual Resources Association. VRE Core is a data standard created by this association. It's for the description of works of visual culture as well as the images that document them. Here is the website of VRE Core and VRE. Go to VRE official website www.vreweb.org. We can learn a lot of information about VRE and VRE Core, including the history of VRE, the history of VRE Core, and the VRE Core metadata standards. Let's move on to talk a little bit about the VRE Core history. Since the 1980s, VRE has worked on creating standards to describe images. VRE Association created a common standard called VRE Core categories. These categories were somewhat based on the Dublin Core model. The core has grown from a list of elements describing art and architectural images to a data standard. This standard is with an XML schema to promote the sharing of records for the description of images. The first version of VRE Core was published in 1996. And from 1998 to 2002, 2004, and 2007, VRE Core has upgraded into different versions. Currently, VRE Core 4.0 is a standard of VRE Core. So, why we need to use VRE Core? As we all know that the rapid explosion of the internet and the subsequent explosion of the visual resources field has produced a lot of issues. These issues including the copyright and intellectual property rights, protocol for the dissemination of digital materials, standards of cataloging, and a broad public access to cultural information in the digital age. VRE Core currently is VRE Core 4.0 is able to capture descriptive information about works and images and indicate relationships between the two. VRE Core 4.0 is a nationally recognized metadata standard and is endorsed by the Mass Editorial Board as an extension schema for mass objects that contain images of cultural heritage resources. Okay, who is currently controlling party or standard? The Visual Resources Association Data Standard Committee is controlling VRE Core standard, and VRE Core 4.0 is the only metadata standard designed specifically for the description of images and the cultural objects they represent. Okay, let's move on to talk about the left side elements of VRE core. VRE core elements include core elements and optional elements. All the elements have the main elements and their sub-elements and attributes. There are only 3 core elements. They are work, collection, or image. The relationship between work and image is 1 to many. These 3 core elements are required and unrepeatable. Other optional elements include agent, title, location, work type, material, style or period, subject, rights, cultural context, date, description, inscription, measurements, relation, source, state, addition, technique, text derive. These 18 optional elements are repeatable. Okay, let's talk about the rules for right side of the data entry. VRA core use a lot of rules to describe the content. These rules include AAT controlled vocabulary, AACR2 rules, CCO, MLA rules. Of course, also include LCSH. From the official VRA website, we can see a lot of example applications of VRA core. Here are some examples. This example is for an architecture work record and its image record. On the left hand, we can see the work record for this building, this architecture work. On this table, all the VRA core elements are listed on the left side. Some of them have the content, description, as well as some of them are empty. The same thing happened in image record. Almost all the elements, core elements and optional elements are listed on the left hand, and the content description on the right hand. Some of the elements are empty. This is the second example for a painting work and its image, and the image of this work. The same. The left table is the record for the work. All the elements are listed on the left side, and the content description following the standard guidelines listed one by one. Some elements are emptied. Also, on the right side is the image record for this work. We can see some of the elements are empty but are still kept in this table. Okay, that's all I want to talk to you. Welcome again to listen to my presentation. Does anyone have questions? Hope you are interested in that. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye.